So most likely you're gonna miss a bunch of them. I want you to compress and simplify in any aspect of the business that you possibly can. Make it more simple. Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on how to self-manage rental properties. I'm Dave Hathaway, owner of Hathaway Property Management. I own a 50-unit portfolio where we utilize systems that help us more easily scale our business, reduce stress, and be more hands-off. I'm here to show you how we do it and how you can too. Let's get into today's episode. We're gonna be discussing how to fast track your success when self-managing rental properties. Number one key to success to fast track your business is treat it like a business. I know it sounds generic, but what this means is everything should be separated. Business, personal, separate everything. This includes your cloud drive. This includes your email accounts. This includes your bank accounts. This includes where your mail's sent. You're separating everything because you're creating a standalone entity and you're treating it like a business. Don't commingle things. It only adds complexity, and simplicity is your friend. Number two, remember the philosophy of plug and play. What I mean here is that while you're setting up your business, you want to think of it as a plug and play system. Your business should be set up in a way where if you have to bring somebody on, it's not going to be a massive effort for them to learn everything. That you have things in place, whether it's the checklists, whether it's your templates, whether it's your short videos, that's going to allow anyone to come in and be a plug and play solution for your business. A quick example here is like a McDonald's. You want anybody to be able to come in and they can flip burgers over and over and over again, and the system doesn't break. You still have the same quality. There might be a shortened learning curve, but they're gonna have the same quality relatively quickly. Number three to fast track your success is simplify. I cannot say this enough. There's enough complexity in business that you want to make things as simple as possible. If you try to create systems that are complex, that have way too many steps, that have way too many words, things are going to get skipped. Steps are going to get skipped. One way that you can simplify is you can start using acronyms. Two acronyms that we use, one is CO for contractor and one is TNT for tenant. They make sense. People, we know what they are. And I want you to think of like long legalese documents. So long legal documents, maybe it's a 20-page document. You're not gonna read all those things. So most likely you're gonna miss a bunch of them. I want you to compress and simplify in any aspect of the business that you possibly can. Make it more simple. The processes, just make it more simple. A lengthy email, try to shorten it. That's gonna make you better at business. It's gonna fast track your success. Number four, and maybe the most important, is partner with A players. Why is this important? I can't stress this enough. You can have bad systems, bad directions, but if you're working with people that are really good at what they do, whether it's vendors, whether it's your virtual assistant, whether it's contractors, the guys and the girls that are A players, even with bad systems, are going to get the job done and get it done at a very high quality. So keeping your eyes open for these players, asking for referrals, and just trying to work with A players. So if you have somebody that you're like, I don't really like this title company, I don't really like this S, whatever it might be, you need to keep your eyes open to look for that A player, hold on to them, because they're going to make business easier. They're going to help you grow. You're going to be thankful and you're going to learn a lot from them. Number five, and the last one, is make business easy for the people that you work with. Whether that's your bookkeeper, whether that's your accountant, whether that's your contractors, whether that's your virtual assistant, whether that's your title company, anybody that you work with, try to make their job easier. What that's gonna do is that's gonna wanna make them work with you. It's gonna build your relationship. Some of the best compliments that we receive is, I wish more clients were as organized as you. I wish more clients were set up like you. It's gonna make things just work better, and it is going to fast track your success. So the question you should ask is, how can I make this easier for my business partner or the people that I work with? I promise you it's gonna pay dividends. Lastly, I wanna thank you guys for watching this video. If you've watched this entire series, I wanna thank you for following along and watching this series. It did take a lot of effort to put together. If you found this content valuable, please like and subscribe to the video, to the channel. We greatly appreciate it as it positively impacts others that are trying to get into self-management, property management, and have their own rental properties. Hey guys, I again wanted to thank you so much for spending your time with me going through our education on self-management. Our job is to support you in your real estate investing journey. So if there's anything we can help you out with, anything at all, just send us a comment in the comments, or we have an email down below. You can send us an email. Let us know how we can support you to make your journey into real estate investing more successful. Now that you've finished up the Self-Management 101 series, where do you go from here? There are several options that you can do. We have a series over here, and we'll put a link, that talks about real estate education. It is a little bit more in depth. If there's certain topics that you want to go in depth on, then check out the playlist for real estate education. There's also a series called RE Tips, Real Estate Tips, and there is no fluff in there. That is a shortened learning curve to the majority of stuff that I've learned as an investor over the last 15 years, and it's 60-second shorts or less, and you can just go through all the different shorts and you're gonna get a fast track learning on all of my real estate investing experience for free. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. You can start there or there. And again, if there's anything at all that we can help you be successful in your real estate investing journey, do not hesitate to reach out to myself or anybody on my team. See you guys.